Mikey Quintos is a GMA Sparkle talent and a rising content creator in the Philippines.
Good evening, Mikey.
Good evening. Hello.
Please.
Good evening, everyone. Dito.
Let's have a chat. Let's have a chat. Why don't you, Mikey?
Sure.
Mikey, I think everybody here wants to know. What for you is the meaning of versatility?
What is versatility? For me, it's a very powerful tool. As a creative myself, well, siguro everyone here tonight realized somehow during or after the pandemic how important it is to be adaptable. Correct? React naman kayo, guys. Correct? Yeah. So, with that, and yun nga, being a creative person myself, I see the versatility of gin as an opportunity for all of us to express ourselves through the drinks that we make. Of course, we have our preferences, but that's the good thing about gin. There's so many ways to serve it, and I think that's what makes gin in.
And that's quite an interesting point of view when it comes to the quality of gin. After all, we keep saying it, gin is in. It's cool, it's clear, and it's versatile. So let's call in our next ambassador if we can. Somebody who is going to tell us what it is about gin that makes it so very clear. So now to understand more about the clarity of gin, let's call on our second ambassador. Please welcome the clear attorney, Oliver Moeller.
Attorney Oliver Moeller is captivating a lot of hearts as a showbiz newcomer and as a lawyer hailing from Cebu.
Attorney,
thank you so much.
please join us.
Hello.
Versatile and clear. Have a seat, attorney.
Thank you.
Attorney, we're talking about what it is about gin that is so clear and what it is about the quality of gin being clear that resonates with you. What does clear mean to you?
Well, to me, clear means transparency. As for gin, it goes through a super stringent distillation process. So it's always pure, clean, and free from any impurities and unwanted elements, which is exactly how I like to practice in law. So in private practice, you know, you want to be as transparent and clear as possible to your clients. You want them to know their rights, their possibility of winning, of losing, and exactly where they stand. When it comes to being a fitness advocate myself, when I used to compete in bodybuilding, I always needed to know exactly what I was putting into my body. And for anyone interested, anyone here into fitness, your standard gin and tonic is only around 140 calories. So keep it in mind.
Galing na. Hindi ko alam yun.
Train hard, work hard.
For having here, yeah,
Guys, Mr. Cool! Mr. Cool! Meron ka daw cool stuff na ipapa-auction. After all, everybody knows you are Mr. Auction.
Yes. So later, magkakaroon tayo ng mga limited Ginebra para hinanda para sa mga audience na nandito. So ipapa-auction natin siya.
Alright.
Ready your wallets, guys.
Hang on to your wallets, keep them handy dahil ngayon na natin gagawin ito, Bosoyo. Tignan nyo na.